Hi, welcome to Math with Miss V. In this video, we are going to learn multi-digit multiplication. Let's try this example. 45 times 7. First, we will line up these two numbers by number places. Then, we have one digit on the bottom, which is 7, and we will multiply it by each of the digits in the top number. 7 we will multiply by 5, and 7 we will multiply by 4. Always we are starting from the ones place column, and then we are going to the tens place, from the right to the left. Okay. 7 times 5 is 35. 35, it's not a one-digit number. It has 3 tens and 5 ones in it. So what we're gonna do, we will put 5 in a ones place and carry 3 tens to the tens place. Okay, so 7 times 5 is 35. We will put the 5 and carry the 3 to the tens place. Now, let's do the next step. 7 times 4 is 28. 3 more will be 31. So 45 times 7 is equal to 315. Let's do another example. 342 times 6. Let's line up them by number places. Again, the same way, we will multiply 6 by 2, then we will multiply 6 by 4, and then we will multiply 6 by 3. 6 times 2 is 12. We will put the 2 and carry the 1. 6 times 4 is 24. 1 more will be 25. We will put the 5 and carry 2. 6 times 3 is 18. 2 more will be 20. So 342 times 6 is equal to 2052. Let's do another example. 418 times 3. Again, we will line up these two numbers by number places, of course. Okay. Again, the same way. We will multiply 3 by 8, then 3 by 1, then 3 by 4. 3 times 8 is 24. We will put the 4 and carry 2. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 more will be 5. 3 times 4 is 12. So, 418 times 3 is equal to 1,254. Let's try one more example. 2,876 times 9. Let's line up. Again, the same way, we will multiply the 9 by 6, then by 7, then by 8, and then by 2. From the right to the left. 9 times 6 is 54. We will put the 4 and carry 5. 9 times 7 is 63. 5 more will be 68. We will put the 8 and carry the 6. 9 times 8 is 72. 6 more will be 78. We'll put the 8 and carry the 7. 9 times 2 is 18. 7 more will be 25. So 2,876 times 9 is equal to 25,884. Thanks for watching. See you next time.